In the late night of Monday, July 7th, 2025, Brownwood police officers responded to a report of shots fired in the 2000 block of 7th Street. The suspect, 59-year-old Holly Oliver, fled the scene in his truck. Just after midnight, officers James Holdar and Caden Goodman observed the suspect vehicle parked in the 2800 block of Frankie Street.
636 Brownwood. Units of 23 on Corrigan. We'll be holding our position until we determine if there's an offense or if not.
I'm going to get out of the car.
Both officers exited their vehicles and waited for confirmation that an offense had in fact occurred. While waiting, the suspect vehicle began traveling toward them in a slow roll. As the suspect vehicle arrived at the parked police vehicles, officers Holdar and Goodman positioned themselves between a parked police vehicle and the suspect vehicle in preparation of a potential encounter.
Let's go and move around, I guess, as he comes by.
The suspect's vehicle moved alongside the first patrol vehicle, and the suspect opened fire into the driver's side of the police vehicle with an automatic weapon. Officers Holdar and Goodman immediately sought cover and returned fire. The suspect moved from the first patrol vehicle to the second patrol vehicle and again shot into the driver's side window before driving off.
36 Brownwood, shot fired. No, I think I'm good.
Oh, I gotta go, guys.
Corporal Salazar and Officer Bessent, hearing the gunfire and call for assistance, immediately left their location and responded to assist.
I gotta go.
Good? I think so. I don't know for sure. He's kept rolling.
The suspect circled the block and returned to the parked patrol vehicles, exchanging gunfire with the officers a second time. The suspect then drove away and turned westbound onto Norwood Street.
He's coming back. He's coming back. You okay?
I don't know if I'm hit or not.
Let's get in your car. Let's get out of here. Jesus, protect me and my man.
We're going to 23rd Norwood. Where do you need us?
We're unsure where he is at this time.
In the 900 block of Norwood Street, Corporal Salazar and Officer Bessent arrived on scene, with Salazar in the lead vehicle. The suspect continued to approach and opened fire into the driver's side window of Corporal Salazar's vehicle, striking him multiple times. Both patrol vehicles were struck as the suspect vehicle passed by.
I've been hit. Salazar's been hit. You're good, Bessent. Handle it.
Get out of the truck!
The suspect then stopped his vehicle and drove in reverse in an attempt to confront officers a second time. Ultimately, the suspect was fatally struck by gunfire, and his vehicle continued in reverse until coming to a stop at the intersection of Norwood and Vincent Street.
Can you advise your location? Are you seen secure away from the scene?
I'm at Austin and Norwood. Austin and Norwood. Truck is stopped. It looked like he was slumped over. 42 is maintaining coverage on it. I need medical. Stay over there, sir. I just got shot, sir. Stay over there. No! Maintain coverage.
Switch me.
Yeah.
Stay with him.
Where is he?
He's up ahead. He's on my car.
Okay.
Take me to the hospital.
I got you. 25 to 42.
I'm coming off the corporal's car.